We've dropped into Jota Advanced Engineering down in Kent. Massive fans of PSL Datatrack. Well, straight into it. Why do you like it so much?
PSL, it's a great system for evolving your business, shall we say. Before our days of PSL, Colin, we used to generate quotes through Excel spreadsheets and Word document process layouts.
All the latest technology then?
Yeah, well, which got us to where we needed to be. But as the business got busier, and we see that we needed to put some time into what we're doing, our processes, our controls that we've got in-house. And I met with Jeff of PSL at MACH 2016. We spoke a bit about the software, and probably within 2 or 3 weeks later, Jeff come down to our facility, giving us a full on-site demo of the capabilities of what PSL has to offer to our business.
So it wasn't just a case of have a look online, here's a demo for you. He came down and went through the whole process for you.
Yeah, I believe I kept him here till about 6 o'clock at night looking through it. It's very interesting.
Yeah, get your value for money. Yeah. But just a quick step back, Jota itself is 3 companies, just quickly?
Yeah, there's 3 divisions of the Jota Group. We have Jota Development, which is our race team, an international race team. We race worldwide. We have Jota Aviation, which is we do stand-in flights for BAE, fly football teams around, all the glamorous stuff.
Yeah. And we get the subcontract side of things.
Yeah, and the new addition to the group is Jota Advanced Engineering. So we offer subcon manufacturing, as well as supporting our own race programs in-house.
But it's real precision work you're doing.
Yeah, exactly that. Yeah, very, very high tolerance. Latest technologies work, shall we say.
Okay. So, Jeff's come out, given you a demo. You bought a number of modules?
Yeah. So to start off, we bought a quotations module, deliveries module, invoice purchasing, and sequential scheduling to start planning our workout.
Right, okay. And so, how's it actually helped the business then?
I mean, with helping our business, it's the efficiency and the housekeeping of everything we're doing. Where before we have quotations, we have files archived that we'd hunt through to find a specific file. Now we can just type in a part number that we're looking for. We have full traceability down to what operators made the job, what gauges have been used on the job. We can analyse to see how we performed on times compared to quoting.
So essentially know exactly what's going on in the business.
Yeah, it's the forefront. It's the hub that sits behind the manufacturing that we do in the background.
Now PSL Datatrack though is specifically aimed at engineering, because you can buy other systems on the market, but this is specifically engineering though.
Yeah, this is tailored for precision manufacturing, and the guys at PSL, that's their background. They know precision manufacturing and what you need to make that run efficiently.
Right, so when you're actually using the system, it's easy to follow, it makes sense, it's intuitive?
Yeah, so it all stems from the quote. This is the beauty of the system. When, you spend the time, you build the quote efficiently, and when that purchase order comes through, you can just transfer it over. That will generate a works order. That generates the process for your guys out in the shop floor to follow, all going through to producing the delivery to invoicing the job.
You make it sound simple. Just a quick example then, quoting, how long would it take you to quote roughly before, and how long would it take to quote now?
Quoting before, it's probably speed me up by about 40% at least through PSL.
Yeah. Now, you bought some more modules last year, I understand, but one of the main things, and you've been really sort of happy about it, well, really excited about it, is the boards in the background, the status boards. Can you just talk me through those then?
Yeah, the status boards, they've been great. And what I love about PSL is there's not a status board that you can buy, it's tailored to your company. So you can come up with the ideas, and PSL would develop these ideas. And just to go through an example, some of the boards I've got in the background here. So these boards out here, they drive information to my guys on the shop floor. So it will show the guys what their next jobs are. We use a traffic light system out here, so you can see up on the boards, if a guy's setting a machine, it will go orange. It's being set, it's not in production. When the guys are clocked off their production and they've got off their setting and go into production, it would then go green, the job's running. You know, if the machine's sitting idle, it's not being set and it's not in production, the light's red, you know, so it identifies. We also have a board that shows for tomorrow's work.
Well, I want to stop you there because the two screens in the background, it's actually 6 boards on each, so milling, turning, but you've got some other boards as well. Let's go and look at those in the office. Ryan, 4 status boards here. What I want to say though is you're very passionate at PSL Datatrack, but when we mention these 4 boards, it basically lit up even more. So talk me through them, please.
Yeah, so what we have here, Colin, this is our planning board. It looks, it basically monitors what 3 hours I have to sell work, which is great for us because it keeps our spindles going. The second board down that we look at, through our sequential scheduling, this identifies if we're falling behind on any job. So, you know, we can access more hours, we can notify the customer, we can just give a more efficient opportunity to people. Okay. We have our lower board here, which monitors our scrap, you know.
I see there's nothing on there at the moment.
Must be a good week. This monitors our scrap, you know, because if we're behind on an order or if we lose a part and we're going to be late on an order, you know, we can identify it quickly. Our further boards here, it's quite standard. It's what's going out the door. Again, we use a traffic light system on that, so when stuff's due out, so we know when it's got to go. And the below one, just as important, that's stuff due in the door. Again, that's a traffic light system on that board. So, you know, if material's due in and it's got to be allocated to a job, it might be going up on the machine. If it's late, this board allows us to basically monitor our suppliers efficiently.
But you did say in there it's standard stuff, but it's not though, because you bought it from PSL as a standard module, but they've worked with you to develop it to what you need, is that right?
Yeah, so that's the beautiful thing with PSL, that they've tailored these boards to our requirements. So depending on the nature of your business, they can help you out to bring a board to the information that you believe is most important through the system to life.
Okay. So just a very quick summary then, how's PSL just made you more efficient?
Yeah, PSL's been great. As I say, the business has grown from strength to strength, and I think PSL have had a good part in doing that.